Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually raise your account on Myfitnesspal. So basically guys, if you go ahead, if you are using your phone, go ahead and download this application from Myfitnesspal on your iOS like App Store. If you are using Android, just go ahead and download it using the Google Play. Now, after you create your account, etc., and maybe you have uh, connected with the wrong email or something like that, and you wanted to like erase your account or delete it. Well, how you can do it? Well, basically for those on PC or phone, same thing. So go ahead and open MyFitnessPal, and then as you can see here, this is the main page. So what I'm going to do is go to settings of my account by clicking on this button right here or this button in here. So let's click on whatever it is. As you can see, there is this privacy settings and this account settings. So basically there is subscription settings, change passwords, change email, change username, time zone, update diet, diary settings, change units, change language, and the last thing, which is delete account. So in order to delete our account, we need to go here. So click in here, click on delete account, and here they will tell you this message. So my fitness is sorry to see you go. Before you go, do you want to export your data, etc. So if you want to export any data, you can click here, and then you have to discontinue to delete your account. So click on continue to be able to delete your account. But for me, I don't really want to delete it. So what I'm going to do is just show you again. So basically, just go ahead and open Myfitnesspal and basically go to settings either from here or here. Maybe you can find it somewhere here. Yeah, you can find it in any kind of these menus. So just go ahead and click on settings and then click on delete account and then click on continue. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.